mix it. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Look at this. Now let's put the cheese on. Put your potatoes into the oven for 3 more minutes.